Hi, I'm Madison. I will be your installation specialist for TV, appliances, and P-Tax. In this short video, I will go over how Transworld can make things so much easier with the all-in-one solution. This includes product staging, unloading, installation, and IT AV programming. Transworld dedicated logistics team is here to streamline your installation process. These services include tracking of products for a smooth delivery, unload and distribute products to the guest rooms, and stage all products for proper installation. For TV, we provide installation and programming. Our team will be there from start to finish. An all-in-one solution to fit your budget and save you time and energy with experienced account managers. With meticulous attention to detail, we take care of tracking information and delivery instructions, ensuring that all necessary resources are in place. Our proactive approach and effective communication keep you informed every step of the way, allowing for a seamless and well-prepared installation experience from Transworld. Fast, efficient, and reliable. When it comes to appliance staging, Transworld stands out as the best choice in the industry. Allow Transworld to handle unloading the truck. Not only will we ensure that all your products are safely placed in designated rooms, but we will also provide you with a comprehensive inventory of appliances, complete with their respective serial numbers. With elevated staging solutions you can rely on, our commitment goes beyond just placing your products in the designated spaces within the rooms. We make sure you pick the best appliances based on your hotel's brand standard requirements, such as auto shut-off features, AD/AE compliances, and more. Quick TV installation and programming. Our technicians work diligently to offer guests a premium entertainment experience. Whether it's mounting your TV, implementing IPG for a free-to-guest experience, or more complex IP installations, we're well equipped. Our tech are experts in installing servers like LG ProCentric and Samsung Link Cloud. If you're in the process of renovating your hotel and have a need to dispose of your outdated TV, we're here to assist you through our liquidation services. Let's go through what you receive in our all-in-one solution. Logistics, meet and unloading the truck, staging products, TV installation and programming, and the best part, Transworld cleans up. Part of our installation is making sure we leave each space better than how we found it. Our team is committed to ensuring your utmost satisfaction with our services, which includes cleaning up any mess created during the installation within the guest room. Learn more by reaching out to sales@transworld.com.